How to edit profile name on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account. Once you do that, navigate to your settings. From the account section, click on personal and account information, and then click on name. And here you will be able to change your first, middle, and last name. So let's go ahead and do that. And once you do that, click on review change. Facebook here will give you a preview of how your new name will appear. So it's either first name, last name, or last name, first name. Once you choose whatever option works best for you, you need to enter your password in this field right here. But remember that you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. Once you are okay with that, click on save changes and your name will be changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Facebook account name. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.